Bago naman ang nakataktang botohan ngayong araw ng House Justice Committee kung sufficient in substance ba ang dalawang impeachment complaints laban kay Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Tinalakay na kahapon ng komite ang mga pinagbatayan ng reklamong inihain ni Attorney Andre De Jesus. Balita natin ni Tina Panganiban Perez.
Paano nga ba dapat sukatin kung ang impeachment complaint ay sufficient in substance? Sa ilalim ng Section 5 ng Rules on Impeachment, sufficient in substance ang isang impeachment complaint kung may recital of facts o malinaw na salaysay ng mga pangyayari at alegasyon na hindi paratang lang, kundi pasok at tugma sa mga ground for impeachment.
Sufficiency in substance is not about whether allegations are loudly made, repeatedly asserted, passionately believed, or politically resonant. It is about whether the complaints allege ultimate facts, not mere conclusions, whether they show a personal, culpable act or omission by the impeachable official, and whether those acts, as pleaded, amount to culpable violation of the Constitution, treason, bribery, graft and corruption, other high crimes, or betrayal of public trust, as the Constitution strictly enumerates.
Pinaigting din ng komite ang sukatan matapos manalo sa botohan na dapat authentic ang mga dokumentong kalakip ng complaint. Tatlo ang grounds for impeachment ng De Jesus complaint: betrayal of public trust, culpable violation of the Constitution, at graft and corruption. Isa sa mga puna, puro news article daw ang basehan sa alegasyong kinidnap at binigay sa ibang bansa si dating Pangulong Duterte.
The first offense, most of the annexes are news articles. It might be insufficient for evidence to be based on mere news articles only.
Honorable Nisay, the question is very specific. Whether or not you are aware of a case of kidnapping filed against the impeachable official.
Am I aware, Madam Chair?
You are?
Aware of that.
So you are aware that there is a case of kidnapping filed against the impeachable official?
No. That there is no, ma'am.
Sinita rin ang basehan ng alegasyon na drug addict daw ang Pangulo, kaya epektado ang kapasidad na mamuno.
This ground presupposes that because PBBM is an addict or an alleged addict, he is unfit to be president. However, unfitness per se is not a ground for impeachment.
Ganon din ang alegasyong hindi vinito ng Pangulo ang unprogrammed appropriation sa budget noong 2023 hanggang 2026 at kumikbak din daw sa mga budget insertion at ghost flood control project na ang basehan ay mga video na pinost sa Facebook ni dating Congressman Zaldico.
The video exposes abroad wherein we in the later part will have to hear this particular person has to be present. Otherwise, it's a piece of paper and a piece of video that is not allowed to be introduced in any proceeding.
Inusisa rin ang basehan ng alegasyong binuo ng Pangulo ang Independent Commission for Infrastructure para protektahan ang mga kaalyado niya. Tina Panganiban Perez, nagbabalita para sa GMA Integrated News.